Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to ISEE Hair for today's video. Let's go in. I love this because there's details. The wig is in this beautiful box. ISEE Hair. Bonnets, lashes, oh, HD wig cap, another wig cap for darker skin tone, and we have this right here, 3 combs and an elastic band. Listen, I love presentation, okay? So they gave us 3 combs to put in the wig and then a adjustable band. Let's see how these work. This is 24 inches, kinky straight. Yes. I think it's a 9x6 lace. Let's look and see. Details, look at that. Labeled, presentation again. Love it. Pretty cool. I love that their wigs are labeled. Sometimes I don't remember where my wigs are from, and this kind of helps to tell people the company. So I like that. Look at this. Pre-bleached. Oh my God. Look at that lace, y'all. This is insane. I'm super excited to install this wig, but I want to show you guys the lace. Alright guys, I finished one side. We did flat out this side. Look how straight the hair looks. I went ahead and cut some of it. Now we're gonna do this side. We're gonna flat this side. So I'll show you guys how I do it. You see the difference? Look at that. So I'll show you guys while I'm doing that, and then we're gonna install the wig. Guys, had to run on the road. Now it's time to do this wig. My hair is a hot mess, so I'm so excited. See how we're looking. Look at this. Oh, even though it's kinky, I did use the flat iron and go through it, and then I cut the ends, just cut off the ends so it's even. But the lace is unmatched. Like, it is insane how beautiful this wig is. We're gonna see. Let's snug it on our head. We don't have to worry about gluing anything down. That's the key thing about it. So let's see. There's combs as well. So let's draw it a little bit tight. And then slap it on our head. Wow, this is absolutely insane. Now we have to draw the band. It's still big, and that's what I like about the elastic band. You can bring it as tight as you want, and you can also bring it. Yeah, this is it, child. Nothing is needed, but I really do feel like I want to put some style into this wig. I don't know, I was thinking, right, we're gonna do something, but for now, I tell you guys, there are wigs that is easy slip on, and this is one of them. If you guys look, just look at that lace. We're gonna fix right here. A matter of fact, I'm gonna fix it right now. Either I can pull back the cap, put back the wig on, and this is easy fix. I'm going to take a concealer and we're gonna level it out. It's that simple. So now the part is more precise and it's looking beautiful. Oh, I will wear this just as is, but I want to add a little bit of style to it because I've been rocking my hair like this. So if you guys want to wear it as is, it's a 9x6 closure. You see this? And the parting is so deep right here. Yeah. So this is how it looks for the ladies. Alright, y'all, I still haven't made up my mind if I'm gonna do this. But for now, we're gonna ensure that this is not moving. So with these lace, I like to go in with the ebony spray and just kind of make a top of the wig. Still glueless, you know. We're able to take it off, but I like to do that. That's exactly what we're doing. I'm just adding it because the wig is so wide. Absolutely beautiful. And this is easier to carry. It's giving you the illusion of like a frontal, but it doesn't go all the way down, which you can't really tell. Alright, so that's what we're doing right here. Y'all see that? Look at that. I did not pluck anything. I did nothing to this wig. Literally nothing. You see how wide it comes all the way down here? Yeah, this is amazing. So this will stick. I feel like I might do some curls. I don't know, I really do like it like this, but I've been rocking my hair plain and straight like this, so I feel like doing a little bit of style to it will work, which is I might. All right, let's see. Alright guys, let's get into the hair video. We're gonna take these out. I did add some curls because it's the yucky. I know that the curls might fall. I love this. Hey Chrissy. Yes. Alright guys, I see here. Oh, I love this, especially with the curls. It's giving all mine. It's giving all natural. As per usual, I like to go in with my brush because we did the makeup. Now everything is looking no baby hair, absolutely none. We don't need any with this wig. Just look at that, how cute. So we're completely done. I wanted to add curls just for it. First of all, when you curl a hair like this, and you guys saw that I cut the front, it looks so natural, like your real hair. I love these hair with the curls more than the regular hair. It is beautiful, so cute. And I'm gonna leave it. I like the type of curls that it has as well. So we're gonna leave it as is. So with that being said, let's get into the slow-mo. All the details will be in the description down below. And this is a perfect hair. You can layer it if you want, because I wanted to do like a updo, but I'm like, you know what, let me give it that natural vibes. I love this. I feel ladylike. I feel so cute. The baby's in here, so it's giving for me. Let's get into that slow-mo.
Mom, I got my bracelet.